My name is Parnelli Skaggs, and I've been with Horton for 4 years. My realm of duties involves warehousing, shipping, receiving, material movements through all of the plant, stock room. And one of the cool things that we do that helps supply the vehicles on the production line with the parts they needed based off the customer demands and what they have picked and options and things like that is we've squeezed down our inventories to be able to place them in the same building that the vehicles are being built. So we have a lot of parts in the area that the guys are installing, and we have a lot of parts that we stock in the stock room, and we will pull those based off of the demands that the truck needs at the specific time that it is on the line. And the cool thing about how it works is we make special carts to fit all the parts that are only needed in that area, and then we'll make sure that those parts are pulled at the right time based off of the schedule and based off the tack time, and are delivered right to the area that they need at the time that they need it. Things don't get lost, things are exactly what the customer's ordered, because the engineering and spec writers have a great way of putting things together that we can understand. The way our program works is we have ways to look into the inventories that are needed for the up and coming tax. The purchasing department works very well in understanding and knowing what parts the customers are asking for and what parts they need. So the goal is to not kill our inventory, to juice it up just to be able to hide the efficiencies. We actually have streamlined the purchasing to be able to be more efficient and make sure that the parts that are needed are here, and we look so far out of the future and relay that with our suppliers and make sure that the time is squeezed on when it actually needs to be here and installed on the truck. So the schedule of the truck is very important. Once it's set in stone, everything goes, and we've got it all under control, and we make sure we got the right parts every time. We control our inventory very tight, right down to specific parts that we only need this is what we get, and this is what the truck gets, this is what the customer ordered, and all that's generated off of what the customer asked for. We are very excited about what we have rolling out for parts sales. We have a new website online that we've already rolled out to customers where they can go online and search for the parts that they need for their truck, either based off of a Horton part number. They could search based off of a part description, possibly even the part number that may be involved into the part itself. If you've got it in your hand and you're trying to look it up, they can place the order right online, and immediately when the order is processed in-house at Horton, all the information is uploaded to that website where they can see tracking numbers with UPS. They can see the cost, the freight cost that's involved, the cost of the orders involved. All that hits immediately when it's processed, and you can track your order from the time you place it, which will give you an email saying this is what you ordered and this is what we're going to process, till the time you receive it, and you'll get an email saying it's on its way. And the way that has been working has actually exceeded our expectations on the convenience and the ability to be able to understand how it works, and it's actually been worked out very, very well. And we plan on within the next 6 months or so making that website better to be able to add a lot more detail to it, to make it be more functional as far as blow-up charts within your truck. If you're looking at something you don't know exactly what the part is, you can click on a picture of a blow-up chart and it'll take you right to it. It's very awesome on what's coming up with that.